Inspired by today's technology, this documentary imagines a fictional future created for education and entertainment. It's the year 2040, and America is about to unveil the most intelligent supercar ever imagined. This isn't just another fast car. It's an artificial intelligence designed to think, learn, and drive. Every curve, every material, and every decision was shaped by advanced artificial intelligence. Before the first part was ever built, millions of virtual simulations tested every possible road and condition. Now, the countdown begins for America's most ambitious supercar project ever imagined. Inside the factory, intelligent robots begin assembling the supercar with microscopic precision and perfect coordination. Every component is measured thousands of times before it becomes part of the vehicle. The lightweight body is crafted from advanced composite materials, engineered for speed, strength, and efficiency. An intelligent battery system continuously manages power for maximum performance and driving range. Active aerodynamics automatically reshape the vehicle to improve stability at every speed. Finally, the AI supercar leaves the production line, ready for its very first high-speed test. Now comes the ultimate challenge. The AI supercar faces its very first high-speed test. Within seconds, the AI driving system analyzes the road, weather, and every possible driving condition. The countdown begins. 3, 2, 1, and the future launches forward. Power is delivered instantly, as the intelligent control system maintains perfect balance at every speed. Sensors constantly monitor the road ahead, helping the vehicle respond in milliseconds. The test is complete, proving that intelligent technology could redefine performance. In the years ahead, step inside, where every surface is designed to respond intelligently to the driver. The holographic display projects navigation, performance, and safety information directly into the driver's view.
A built-in AI assistant understands natural conversation and helps manage every journey.
Intelligent sensors continuously monitor the vehicle and help keep every journey safe and comfortable. As night falls, adaptive lighting and smart vision systems help improve visibility on every road. This isn't just a supercar. It's a glimpse of how intelligent mobility could evolve in the future. As testing ends, engineers study every result to improve the next generation of intelligent vehicles. Tomorrow's roads may become smarter as connected vehicles communicate with modern transportation systems. Artificial intelligence could help reduce traffic, improve safety, and make every journey more efficient. The future of performance may not depend only on speed, but on intelligence, efficiency, and responsibility. What you've seen today is one possible future, inspired by today's remarkable technological progress. Would you drive an AI supercar like this? Share your thoughts and join us for the next journey into tomorrow.